Hey boss, it's Bill. I've been doing some thinking about milling because I've had some issues with my mill recently. One thing that I have done for the last few years is really get particular about the gap that is between the rollers. And I've done this I bought this gauge at the auto parts store, and this is the size of gap that works for my system. I tried one smaller than this, and that ends up leading to stuck sparge because it clogs up my false bottom. But last couple brew days, I've had a real hard time milling my grain, and that I found out is because this roller turns when you put it with the screwdriver or the drill, and this one is passive, or it only turns when grain is coming through. But this roller somehow got really stuck, and for the last few milling sessions, I had decided I probably needed to buy a new mill. But now I've gone through, I took it apart, and I took the roller out, and I cleaned I found some gunk, actually, some residue left behind in this area here. I took the roller out, WD-40'd it, and it's working great now. And I didn't have to buy a new mill. Do any of you guys have fancier mills? I was thinking at that time I would have to buy a 3-roller mill because I assume that's better. I don't know. Do any of you guys have one of those? What other things do you do to make sure your mill is working in good shape or your crushing goes well? I'm curious to learn about conditioning the grain, which I was talking to a boss member about recently. So if you condition the grain before you mill, I'd like to hear your experience with that.